So my first question to you is, how do you see Agentic X digital employee contributing to the supply chain and in terms of the efficiency, automation, decision-making support?
Yeah. Especially for me, right? I'm a small, medium-sized company, logistics company. It's always very hard to scale. However, with Agentic AI actually, and with AI employees, I would be able to scale much faster in a shorter time frame. And that's why I'm thinking right now, this is the way forward for us, right? We are talking about shared service centers outside of Singapore, for example, in Manila and in India and so on and so forth. However, there is a lot of repetitive tasks in the logistics world, which can be autonomous and which can be replaced by AI.
I see. Would you see what is the biggest challenge in SME or small medium enterprise to adopt AI or Agentic AI?
I don't think there is a big challenge for us to do it. It should be just really a case of making the first step, right? You need to prepare yourself. You need to prepare your people that this is not going to replace people. It's going to help. It's going to take away repetitive tasks. It's going to take away tasks or documentation tasks, which they are doing daily and which are also for the people annoying, right? We have two big issues in the industry, right? One is really the labor, right? We don't find people anymore who are coming into logistics industry. And then we are actually there to scale the logistics up as well. So it's a very big issue for us to scale with less people. So the only way is really to go autonomous, not only in the warehouse function, also to do it on a software, to do it on a documentation way.
Right. So do you see that applying or adoption of AI or Agentic AI, it is a necessity, a game changer, or is a trend?
For me, it's necessary. If we don't act, we will probably just be bought over by a bigger company because right now it's a lot buy and sell. How do we survive as a small, medium-sized company is to scale up. And how do we scale up with less labor is the question. For me, it's 100% necessary that we need to take out these repetitive tasks. We need to take out a certain documentation to improve the efficiency of our people, to make them be focused on the real world and the revenue streams. I don't need people to go for documentation because that is not a revenue stream for me. For me, they need to focus on revenues. They need to focus on where we make money actually. So taking this out and making it autonomous, making it completely AI, more or less, right? And AI nowadays learns, right? It learns from your repetitive tasks, which is a very interesting piece as well, because how do people keep up with that learning structure? Actually, AI is much faster. So I don't have issues with onboarding anymore because onboarding with AI is quite easy and quite quick nowadays.